north wind meets the sea. There's a river full of memories. Come and join us, dear friends. The time has come to experience Frozen 2, an enchanted journey.
Est-ce que l'un d'entre vous connaît le chemin d'Atoala?
Grandpa said we need to go as far north as we can. And here we are.
Je t'entends et j'arrive.
This video is brought to you using the GoPro Hero Black 5. If you'd like to have your own, please click on my affiliate link in the description below. Please be aware any purchases made will supply me with a small commission. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and see you again for another video very soon.